about ready to go hike Likeke Falls. I'm here with my mom and Brett. We might also be going past it to, I think it's called V Falls. Depends on how we're feeling and how much time we've got. But so far it is super pretty. So we got our trailhead right up here. All right, we made it to the falls. It's super cool. Nice little cascade here. Super pretty. The hike out here is really pretty. Definitely recommend it. It's super easy to get to this first set of falls. So there's another falls, you know, further if it's raining, I think. Otherwise it's gonna be dried up. But yeah. I think we're gonna keep going and try to make it to the second falls. The trail is amazing so far. It's once you pass that first waterfall, it gets pretty narrow and a lot more overgrown, but there's definitely still a good trail here you can see coming through. So, but yeah, it's nice and shaded, a little muddy. So, bring good shoes for the mud, I guess. All right, I climbed up here a little bit closer, and this thing looks like it'd be nice and big on the day when it's flowing. So right now we've got almost no water at all. A little puddle here is all. I'm guessing this is one that flows when it's raining, and that's about it. I did have to climb up some ropes to get up here, so pretty cool though. All right, so that was, I think this one's called V Falls or something. So that was it. No water running right now, so we're gonna head back out.